Hello everyone, again we are going to meet and this is Samir. You are watching my video. So today I want to share with you one beautiful topic, and this topic is very important for us, okay? So without delay, without interrupt, just begin that. Yeah guys, our topic name is like, if you beginner, then what should you do? Yes, if you beginner, then what should you do? It's very important, okay? Guys, already you decided to take a plan on Camly or subscription plan, okay? So I know that, like, why are you going to take a plan? Because you don't have a atmosphere, you don't have a partner, you don't have a good way to learn English language. And which way should I go, you don't know. So that's why you are going with Camly. I agree with you, so no problem guys. See, if you beginner guys, then definitely you will face a lots of problem on Camly. Seriously, I'm not kidding. It's happened with me, okay? But I'm going to tell a benefit, not benefit, a point, okay? Before conversation, how to use this point and make a long conversation without hesitation, without fairness on Camly. Okay, so it's very important. Just follow my points, okay? Guys, if you beginner, then you bought a plan, okay, you buy a plan. So that moment what should you do? You should try to understand, whenever you try to call with native tutor before, okay, then definitely you will feel too complicated, you will feel too problem. If I call with native, then what will I talk with you? How do I share? How do I talk, start conversation? You will face a lots of problem, okay? So that moment you should do, just before conversation, just write a points. Point means just take a book, okay, notebook, and write your points. Means like about introduction, about hobby, about story, about topic, whatever would you like to do, okay? Just write down, okay? Then start to connect with native Twitter. So if you get a call, okay, so definitely you will face a lots of problem is like feel too nervous, feel too hesitation, feel too fearness. And just it's a very different moment, that moment, because already I face it, okay? So you can start with your topic, like about yourself, about your name, about your place, about your study. Then after that, you can tell ma'am and sir on native Twitter, okay? You can just start and tell teacher, I'm a beginner, I don't understand proper, I can't speak proper English language, and sometime I get a understanding problem. So can you tell me how to I build, how to practice, how to start a conversation? Definitely native Twitter, they will help you, because they are studying, they have a great experience, and they are doing a job for you people, guys. Seriously, they will help you, they will never judge your English is weird and nothing, you are not good person, like that. They will always help you. Yes. And that moment, if you do mistake, then definitely they will try to correct you. Dear, you should tell like that, don't tell like that. Everything they will clarify. And if you confuse, guys, if you confuse any kind of have any question, any problem, any story, any topic, then you can ask easily without hesitation on native Twitter, in front of your native Twitter, okay? I know that, like, whenever we conversation with video calling, so we will feel to lots of stuck, lots of problem, immediately that moment we blank our mind, we don't know what next question should I talk. Seriously, because it's happened with me. You don't believe me, guys. I was also beginner, I was facing a lots of problem. Sometime I face understanding what they are talking about, because they are native Twitter. Sometime I forget my, whatever I learn, whatever I prepare myself, I forget in duration video calling period. So it's happened with you guys. So that's why I'm telling, whenever you try to connect with native Twitter, then before connect, just prepare 100%. Prepare a topic, guys. Topic is very important, okay? Why I'm telling? Because obviously you are beginner, okay? And if you call with native Twitter, and if she and he tell about like tell me something, what should we talk today, okay? Then you can mention, you can present your topic in front of native Twitter. Like, I have a topic about study, so please tell me what do you mean by study, how to do study, like that. Then a Twitter try to understand, try to explain is good way. Then listen carefully, guys, listen carefully, and think about, and whatever you have a question, then immediately ask, like, teacher, I have a one problem, I have a one question, can I ask with you? Definitely they will allow your question, they will accept your question, and they will clarify, they will give an answer good way, politely, guys. So it's very important, especially beginner, guys. If you beginner, then you have to struggle, because duration call, okay, we will blank. I know that because it's happened with me, okay? So that moment we do not decide like, OMG, I remember that one topic I forget. So you can just forward immediately. You can just change the topic that moment. Like first thing you discuss with study, then immediately you can change a topic like exam. What do you mean by exam? How to give and how to give a proper way, okay? So just do it, guys, seriously, it's gonna help for beginner. And then after that, like you will realize like where I did mistake. And watch this video, okay, watch this video, whatever you make a video, watch this video, and try to find a mistake, okay? Then again you start tomorrow, day after tomorrow, guys. You, it's take a time like 15 minutes to 10 15 days to 10 days, okay? But you will learn more and more. Seriously, I'm not kidding, it's happened with me, okay? And after 15 days after Cambly, you will realize, you will learn a basically English, I'll guarantee you. You will learn a basic English. What do you mean by how to talk, how to conversation, how to start with any kind of people, how to start, how to discuss a topic, and how to, it's very important. You will realize, you will learn many things from native Twitter. So especially, guys, beginner, you should do this thing. Just before conversation, just write down some points about introduction, about topic, about study, about hobby, anything, okay? Then try to connect with native Twitter and just present this topic in front of native Twitter. It's gonna help, guys, seriously. This is very benefit, this is very easy method to make a long conversation without hesitation, without fairness. You can extend a call, you can just to make a long conversation with native Twitter. And that moment you will never face a like hesitation, you will never confuse, you will never confuse first thing, okay? Over, because already you write down a topics, introduction. Guys, seriously, it's very important. Always I suggest you, if you beginner, don't go with Cambly, because it's a, we can face a lots of problem. Some native Twitter, they have a great command for English language, they are native. And some native Twitter, like they speak fastly, they use a advanced level English. So how do we understand? It's happened with me like 5 to 6 time. I was make a conversation with native Twitter. So sometime a teacher was talking about using some fancy words, some like fastly, okay? So I wasn't understand, then I realized, okay, like what he and she talking about, okay? Then immediately that moment I change the topic, I ask about, I present my topic, simple topic about like culture, about your country, about your currency, like that. Immediately change the topic because I didn't understand. And that moment we can't say that, sir, ma'am, you are speaking, you're using an advanced level, I don't understand, because already we have a 15 minutes, guys. So we use a proper way, okay? So just think about, okay? And don't be hurry, think about more and more on calmly if you beginner, okay? And if you decided to take a plan, then go ahead, prepare more, practice more, then try to make a conversation. Otherwise don't go, guys. Otherwise just practice more, at least convert to intermediate, at least learn about, then go with calmly, okay? This is very important, guys. So this is all about beginner, guys, so please follow some tips and rules, then definitely you will make a good conversation, you will become a master, you will get the idea how to practice English language, how to build a confidence, how to learn something, how to talk with native Twitter. You will get an idea after calmly, okay? So see you soon. Like, I hope so this video um, like, and if you like this video, guys, then please give me thumb and do subscribe, do comment, and see you soon. We will meet again next video. Bye bye, and thank you very much. Please watch out till then.